Animal shelter over in Pasadena was damaged by strong winds.
Let's go right now live to Fox 26's Gabby Hart. She is live there. And Gabby, I know you heard from the mayor of Pasadena and some others about what was going on. What's the latest?
You guys, we never want to hear about anything happening to the animals, the animal shelters. We want to make sure that our furry friends, these furry guys, are safe, right? But take a look at this animal shelter in Pasadena. Really unbelievable to look at. The entire roof, or part of the roof, not the entire roof, ripped off, pieces of that roof falling down into that animal shelter, forcing, first responders to get here to the scene, assess the animals, and start moving them out of that location. We're here with one woman who was here to adopt this little guy right here in Pasadena. Tell me, what was your thoughts when you heard that this tornado tornado had hit this animal shelter?
It absolutely broke my heart. I dropped my kids off with my grandmother immediately and decided to come up here to try to see if there's anything I can do to help.
Yeah, and you had already gotten him today, or what was that?
We were actually going to come back up here with my son because we were going to pick him up from kindergarten to show him this lovely, sweet thing.
Yeah.
And
were you
bring
worried
him home.
about him?
100% I was. I was already crying and just in a lost state of mind.
And what's happening now? I know you've been helping out. Well, what's the situation with the kennels?
So right now we are taking the dogs and animals from this shelter to bring them over here, but unfortunately we are running low on kennels and kennel spaces. So we're going to try to see if there's going to be any people that can donate kennels, so that way we could try to get the dogs into one okay building, and then the Humane Society is also going to be.
Yeah, they're taking some, right?
They're going to take them, and then some other local shelters are going to take them into.
Very good. Well, we're glad you got your furry baby, that he's safe. You guys, a few animals were injured, but none of them seriously. And Doug, if you walk this way with me just a little bit, you can see that the Houston Humane Society is here on the scene. We're told they're taking about 30 of these dogs. Other partners in animal shelters from surrounding counties are also coming in to help out and pick up some of these dogs to take them out of their hands, because right now they're having to move them into the adoption center because there's just not enough room for all of these guys, and they really have to get them out of this building. I can tell you, we took a walk through there. It was heartbreaking to see. And this isn't the only area in Pasadena affected. Doug, can you get these power lines right here? We're told throughout this area, this entire street, homes were brought off the slab. People are without power. You can see those power lines hanging down over the road there. A very dangerous situation. We've seen police, fire out here. They're really warning the public right now to stay home. They say if you are in Pasadena, stay home. Also, be conscious about calling 911 right now. The lines are busy. The first responders are overwhelmed. So if you don't absolutely need immediate assistance, save that 911 number for the people who do. We will be out here throughout the evening gathering video. We spoke with the mayor earlier. We'll have a little bit of what he had to say for you later. But for right now, we're going to toss it back to you guys in the studio. I'm live in Pasadena. Gabby Hart, Fox 26 News.
We also heard from the mayor and some of those folks out there, Gabby, earlier, saying that this was some of the worst damage they had seen in some 25 years. So considering all of that and what we see behind you, it's a blessing that, there were no serious injuries other than those two animals that you mentioned. That's great to hear. We'll see you in a little bit, Gabby. Thank you.
Absolutely.